Mr. President, I have the honor to present to you the Head of Mission Designate representing the People's Republic of Bangladesh, Mr. Shah Ahmed Shafi, and spouse, Mrs. Akhter. Please proceed.
Can I? Honorable President Cyril Ramaphosa, I experience today, Your Excellency, one of the most beautiful days of my long diplomatic career as I present to you my credentials for the first time of its kind. Indeed, I waited long many years for this day to come. Your Excellency, I remember many years ago, 30 years exactly, another beautiful day in my life when I was a university student. We came down onto the street in big numbers to celebrate the freedom of the beautiful people of your very beautiful country, South Africa, from the notorious apartheid. My little country, Bangladesh, fought alongside your people in the international arenas as a strong voice in many global forums. And now, while your country fights and stands against the new and yet most terrible form of apartheid from which our brothers and sisters and children in Palestine have been dying, we stand with you. Your Excellency, I remember many years ago, exactly 29 years today, on the Independence and National Day of Bangladesh, which was the 26th March 1995, my forever hero, President Nelson Mandela, paid a visit to Bangladesh. I then just completed my master's degree from the Dhaka University with lots of dreams peeped in my mind, yet I did not dare to dream to represent my country to Nelson Mandela's beautiful South Africa. But here I am standing just in front of you, Honorable President, of the most developed nation in the African continent and one of the most vibrant in the world. In the same spirit of Nelson Mandela's visit to Bangladesh, I convey to you the invitation of Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus, Honorable Chief Advisor and the Head of the Interim Government of Bangladesh, to visit to Bangladesh at a convenient time during the first quarter of 2026. Honorable President, we are yet to significantly engage in bilateral trade and investment, but Bangladesh is a country of 180 million people and is a huge market of middle incomers. It is presently world 40th large economy, and we set a goal to become the 25th large GDP in the world by 2050. The possibility of which is endorsed by some of the big world think tanks like Bloomberg, Standard Chartered, Goldman Sachs, Whitewater, PriceCoopers. So our economic cooperation may be a game changer for our mutual benefit in the near future. Like the Bangladeshis very much love South African cricket, we would also love very much the friendship between our two brave peoples. Just we need little more engagement and connectivity. And for that reason, I would humbly request you to kindly set a cornerstone by opening the High Commission of the Republic of South Africa in Dhaka at the earliest possible. Thank you. Now I have the honor and pleasure to present to you, Your Excellency, the letter of recall of my predecessor and the letter of credentials accrediting me as High Commissioner of Bangladesh to South Africa. Thank you.
You may now take the official photograph, High Commissioner. Mrs. Akhter, you may join the official photograph. Congratulations, Your Excellency. You may now take leave of the President.